Yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
could see
so
that.
this is running on my local server. So just
Hmm.
and it's the new app.
Hmm.
The JavaScript and the tile map and all that. That's pretty much the same as the prototype. What has changed is a different database. I'm using PostgreSQL
Hmm.
just because it is more capable and you can have multiple connections. It's all,
Sure.
ACID compliant and all the good stuff.
Yeah.
So let me just refresh it and hopefully it doesn't break on me because I was just so here's the map, and if I zoom in, uh, I changed
Oh,
it
good.
so that it's not trying to interpolate over the jumps. So if there's
Mm.
missing data, what was looking right, it was just a meaningless graph. Here I can actually see, the actual discrete time points.
Oh, that's
Um,
good.
I think I'm going to make it 24 hours just
Mm.
to give a little bit more. The
Yeah.
other thing I'm going to do is if there's a missing sample, instead of trying to interpolate between, I'm just going to zero those missing samples.
Mm.
So that
Yeah.
so you can see, if it's
She's
zero,
missing something.
it's missing
Ah,
as opposed to some value that's not real. So, but anyway, that's it.
oh, that's good.
Um, so that's pretty much it for that. And now I'm just going to start working on the admin side of things.
Mm.
Um, to because right now, for instance, I've got, this is my house here. I've got the this is the uh, the Nano,
Hmm.
which for some reason stopped working.
Mm.
And I think I fried one of the pins when I programmed it. I forgot to remove the cast module,
Mm.
so that's probably it. And I don't want to make any
Mm.
change.
If
Uh,
I've done that too, but the should still be fine, I think.
yeah, I don't know, and I don't want to play with it because it's
Mm.
useful as a show and tell,
Okay.
right? Just as a
Sure.
so I thought of maybe I'll just upgrade, just reuse the sensor and upgrade it in the Zen, and it's just nah, I'll just keep it as is.
Mm.
Um, anyway, so this is the Zen,
Hmm.
and so last reading time, and then of course you can it jumps to Grafana, so
Grana.
yeah. Uh,
Okay, good.
yeah, so that's
Yeah, it's
uh,
nicer if you can. Oh, you cannot. Maybe you can do that too. If you just jump to Grafana, but not with all the things on it.
yeah. Well, I can do, here's the last 24 hours.
No, no, no.
So,
I mean, if you can go only to graph, because now you see all the other sensors.
oh, I
I don't know
see.
if you want that. Let's.
Uh,
I think you can do that
well, if you
if
look
you.
here, yeah, yeah, I can change the URL, I'm sure. But if you look at here, it is highlighted,
Mm,
and
and that's true.
I think it's generally cool because I mean, people know where Toronto is if they're if
That's
they're
true.
around here, right?
Mm.
And it's highlighted, and I can zoom in.
Oh, that's good. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
so I don't see any reason to withhold information.
No, that's true. I agree with you.
Right.
Yeah,
So, um, and then you can see, the last 24 hours,
yeah,
whatever.
yeah, yeah.
And then
No.
it's also nice that uh, I can update the panel with that particular one.
Yes. Yeah,
So,
that's it. But if you get the URL a little bit different, you can get automatically this. So you can
okay.
only see this sensor.
Okay. So, yeah, yeah, I'll
Ah,
play
good.
around with that.
Yeah.
So anyway, so that's it for
Oh, great.
Um, yeah, so when I finish, like I'm making a few modifications to the JavaScript. This is, like
Mhm.
JS and all that NPM stuff it's completely new to me, so I'm just being very, very careful about what I change.
Okay. Okay, great.
Anyway,
Nice to hear the progress. Good.
yeah. So and as a result of the CNSC hearings, I've made some contacts with two of the indigenous communities
Mm.
nearby, as well as a few people who are good at social entrepreneurs as opposed to,
Oh, that's
so,
useful. Yeah.
but
And
like that's going to be slow.
And the indigenous people, they live in areas where they have uranium mining going on, but that would be
No, this
very.
is well, no, this was strictly around
I
you
hear
can see
about the
here.
plant.
So
Yeah, yeah.
so this is the Darlington, and see where is it? So one of is the Scugog. So let me just zoom out. Island First Nation
Mm.
here, and then see. Hiawatha's here, Alderville's here, and Curve Lake is somewhere around here. I can't remember. But anyway, the point is it's their traditional territory, and in in the late 1800s, there was a treaty signed between the federal government, the Canadian government, and the original inhabitants here. And what happened is that between the signing and the document making it to the capital in Ottawa, somebody added a paragraph saying that they gave up their traditional rights. And
Oh,
and it took them till 1973 to get that changed. And now
but
and of course these plants were built on original territory. Um, without their
oh,
permission, without their anything, and they're saying, "Hey, listen, like going forward, we need a say." So they're quite, they're pushing the nuclear establishment to actually recognize their rights,
okay.
because well, pollution, right?
Mhm.
The cooling water coming back into Lake Ontario is actually changing the environment nearby. When the water gets entrained into the cooling system, it's destroying eggs and fry
Yeah.
baby fish, which is also um, uh, a problem, ecologically. So
Mhm.
and yeah, so yeah, it's messy.
Okay.
Okay, well, enough
But
about
it's good
this.
they're helping. About about your nano,
Yes,
you're using an originally cast, an
yes.
orange one, an orange one, because I saw
Oh,
there's a new one out,
yeah, I saw
the
that.
M5 stamp. That would be
Yeah.
very interesting to use one like that. If you want to try that out, they're not so expensive. I think they're $7.50 or something.
Well, it's not so much the cast. The error message that comes up is that the battery level is too low,
Mm.
and
No, 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 no. Be careful with that one because the cast takes a lot of power when it
hmm.
starts up. We
Have you tried it
Mm,
without the
yeah,
cast? Like
yeah,
taking the
try it.
cast off?
Yeah,
And
yeah, I'll try it
yeah,
again.
try that. That's a
Yeah.
good idea. Yeah.
yeah.
And if that's a problem, I often put an extra cap there.
Oh, I see. Okay.
It's a trick from Peter.
Yeah, yeah.
Peter has many caps all over there. On
Okay.
his
All
nano.
right. I could do that.
And a preferable Panasonic.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
According to Peter, Panasonic is the only cap you should use in anything. So
Okay. So-
uh, I don't
Okay.
know. That's what he said. So
Yeah. Uh, Unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot of choice because it's whatever I get at
that's
the
it.
local electronics store, and
Hmm.
you know, 'cause-
I
anyway,
just put a cap in there and normally they work. So
yeah.
that's good.
A cap is a cap
Cap
Not
most
is
of
a
the
cap.
time.
always. Not
Not always. Well,
always.
well,
It's
then it
true.
blows up. But
Well,
well,
there was a case in the 1990s where many motherboards were failing simultaneously
Yes.
because of
oh,
the capacitors, but not because of the capacitors, right? It happened between multiple manufacturers. And
The
what happened
electrolyte was a
was
problem.
the electrolyte
Yeah.
was a single source, and they changed
Uh-huh.
their recipe.
Yes,
And it's the
oh,
I
secret
know it.
sauce.
I had an Apple. I think it's an iMac.
Yeah,
They
something
all
like
have
that.
it. Yeah.
hmm.
Oh, PC motherboards too.
Oh, I see. But famous. I
Yeah,
replaced
yes.
two of them. It's a lot of work,
Yes.
but afterwards they work.
All right. Well, be careful then.
That-
Choose your caps wisely.
You should get
Yes.
wisely.
Oh,
As
yeah.
Will has
That's
said.
always good.
As a hardware design engineer is my nightmare, capacitors and
Yeah.
connectors.
Mhm. And another thing I want to talk about is the GPS reset. I mean, in the sense
Yes.
that the GPS, if you switch it off, now it stores the RAM directly in the GPS. But when it powers up, it's directly locked within a second. Bam, it's there. But Colin made a good point that if you put another location, what would happen? Would it take longer to fix? Or I have no idea. I have to test that.
Yeah. Again, I have no idea as well. There's something I keep putting on the back burner is there is a way of giving the GPS module some hints. This is what cell phones do is they'll go like Samsung has their own and whoever else uh, where they can get a hint of the ephemeris so that they're not waiting as long. And so it just basically just reaches out, gets that. And I'm just wondering if there's an opportunity to do that with the Zen. If you're connected to the network, just go and download the ephemeris as soon as you boot up. So that's science fiction for now. Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah, we're not always connected to the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I think so too.
It takes a lot of power as well, so don't really
Okay.
want to do that on boots, unless you're in the like the
Fixed mode.
real-time mode,
Real-time mode.
like
Yes.
fixed mode. Yeah,
Yeah, no. I changed the thing.
and now it's
The
real-time
latest-
again.
It's all
Or-
real-time again.
Okay,
Okay.
I think that's
Yeah.
what we agreed on because all the whole
Yeah.
manual is with real-time. So I said, oops, I think I goofed up somewhere. So
Well, don't
we'll
forget
switch
because
it
you can have real time while mobile.
True. Yeah. Yeah, it's not fixed.
yeah, that is true.
I thought about it too. Like, yeah, that's more realistic. What's happening in that mode? And Jelle, did you have time for looking over the files or other things, or was still too busy with other
Not
things?
much, no.
Okay.
No, I'm quite busy these weeks.
No, anytime
Uh,
when you have time, it's appreciated. But if you don't have time, don't feel guilty.
No, I do feel a little bit guilty. I keep
No,
saying
no,
like,
okay.
well, probably next weekend, and I still have other
Nah,
plans
something.
and
No.
yeah,
I
but
prefer
when I do
I-
have time, I will. Yeah.
I prefer you take your time. We can wait for that. If I'm really
Yeah,
desperate, I will try my own.
I did see you
what,
had some new code pushed as well. So
Yes, I did. I did push some other things, and
Yep.
some optimizing of the power too. I think the power is good now. It's acceptable, and people can go a long time. Some modes I still have to figure out. The server mode I worked on, and the real-time mode.
like power optimized,
Yeah.
Bluetooth connection taking less power now, or
Yeah, things like that.
great,
Small things.
still working as well.
Yeah, still working. Oh yeah, that's
Oh, great.
important.
Yeah, I haven't really tested the Bluetooth, so I should probably do that. Like I
Yeah,
tested
try
it with the Nordic Bluetooth app
Hmm.
to read the Bluetooth signals, but not with the new Drive app. So
And try the app from Bjorn.
yeah, is there a APK file that is
Yeah.
to download or?
Mhm. I can send you a
Okay.
link. And
Yeah,
I'm in the
sure.
process of trying to get it on Google Play,
Oh, right.
so
Yeah,
people can just use it as an app. But it's
sounds
a
good.
whole list of things you have to go. Bjorn made the list for me, and I just have to do it. But I didn't make
Yeah.
time yet. But the APK file is easy, so you can just use it.
Yeah, if you
What?
can send it to me.
What
That's great.
version do you have? Android version?
I think it's I have no clue. Maybe 15 or something.
I, I didn't know.
It's
I
one of
think
the later ones.
okay.
Wait, let me see. Uh, system?
Let's see,
Android
about phone.
14.
I'm at 16.
60. Okay.
Yeah. Well,
Did you
basically the latest.
did you try the app? I
I
do not
tried it
remember.
on my older phone, which was Android 14 or 15, yeah, something
14 are
like
you
that.
using to this?
Yeah. For it worked. It seemed to work. I haven't tried it lately, so that's going to be on my list of fun things to do this
Mhm.
week.
Because it's quite nice. You should check out also you can switch to real time. It is directly sent directly through it to another Wi-Fi connection or to LTE or anything where you connect it to it. Or you
Yeah.
can save it and then upload later with an API. It's quite nice done, I think.
Sure.
I'm trying to get an iOS version of it to run, but kind of stopped the project because I don't want to fire up my Mac and with Xcode on it and
Oh yeah, no, it's a
for
big
quite a
mess. Yeah.
work. No, it's
Yep.
different. It's not a mess. It's different. So,
Well, getting it
Well,
on the App Store,
oh,
or
yeah,
the
yeah.
Apple App Store, that
yeah,
is
yeah.
That's more
troublesome.
different. True. You need to get a license and you need to be
Yeah,
no. That's true.
right.
And I've been Peter had a request, but that's I'm not sure if he's going to do that. He want to have the Not for the Wind being called a limited edition and then raise the price. So make it a special thing. I'm not sure what I should do with that. Because
What would be limited then? Like a sticker
I
or
don't know.
color?
Yeah, it's kind of
Yeah,
stick
exactly.
a
I
gold thing on it and a number, and but the difference in price would be the donation to Safecast. I think he is getting desperate on money or something like that to get at least some money coming in. But I'm not sure. I have no idea. There could be
yeah,
one
no,
idea.
no, I think it's I like the idea of just adding the tip to the checkout. I think that seems to
Yeah, no,
uh
that seems to work. Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
people do
Uh
that.
but maybe like maybe when adding like to the you could call it the Magnum edition.
Like,
Like a
it's
magnum of champagne.
no,
Um,
no. But the only thing I want to do, I want to in copper the
yes.
bGeigieZen, and then it looks like a gold, a little bit goldish feeling on it,
Oh,
something
you can
like
get
that.
gold flash
Hmm.
on circuit boards.
I don't know. I checked with Dale, with the manufacturer of the boards, and they say they could not make a logo in gold. So I
Oh, 'cause
was wondering.
they can flash edge connectors.
Yeah, I thought so. That's
Yeah.
what I mentioned too. I said, no, we don't do that. I said, but try
Okay.
it first with copper. Maybe that looks good enough. I thought that was a good solution.
If the if the solder resist is clear, yes. If there's
Mm,
no solder resist, it's going to tarnish very fast.
that's true.
Yeah.
I
So
should mention that. That's a good point.
yeah. So I don't know. Nickel.
Nickel. I don't know if
Yeah.
they do that.
Okay. Well, it is possible to have nickel plating on a circuit board, but that's a separate process.
Mm,
So
so yeah,
I
there's to
suspect
figure
that they
out.
have the reason their prices are and their delivery are quite good is that they have a very standardized process and it just
True.
goes through. And any exception just throws everything out.
Yeah,
So yeah.
yeah, that's true. I
Um,
think this is all the things I had on my list.
yeah. Same here. I
Yeah, I think for the bGeigie cast, we can try the new module. I wonder if it really saves the energy, but might
Yeah, I
save
was
some
I was
energy.
wondering too. It says that basically reduce power, but I'm not sure how
Yeah.
much, and especially when it boots up. It's so let's see.
I think when it boots, that will be a good performance increase. I think I read
Yeah.
something about the the LED that it
Mm.
doesn't turn on at boot or something.
There was something like that. Yeah, the RGB is it's an RGB LED.
Yeah, yeah. So small things like that would make it better because if you plug it onto the Nano, like turning on the Nano drains a lot of power at boot. So
Sure.
having better power performance at boot
Okay.
would be
Okay.
a nice improvement.
I will get one or a few and then test them out first
Yeah,
and see if they work. For programming, that should be the same then, I think.
yeah, same,
Should work.
most likely.
Okay. Okay. It's on my list.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Not
So,
too bad
With that,
here.
and we haven't heard from Michael.
no, Michael was
No.
mentioning that he would maybe 2 weeks off. Something like
Oh, yes, he did.
Yeah.
Okay.
that. And Yellow is going to be 3 weeks off soon, or
No, I'll just be next week off. Yeah, just next week.
okay, that's all.
Okay. Enjoy.
Yep.
I'm not going
Thanks.
anywhere.
I'll probably be here too.
All right.
What you gonna do,
Have a
Yellow?
good week then. Oh,
What you gonna do?
I'm going to Lithuania
Oh, that's good.
for a few days. A long
Oh,
weekend.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now,
See the
enjoy.
seaside. Yeah.
Yeah. Or with your
Thanks.
friend, your Lithuanian friend.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, and enjoy.
Thank
All
you.
right. Take care then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
bring your Zen with you and
I
make a
will.
recording. Don't drink it.
Actually, I haven't. It's not running at the moment because the tube is not connected, but I
Okay.
will see if I can do that before I leave.
Okay.
Should be good.
If
All
you
right,
need
take
a
care
spare tube, I can send you one. I mean, they're not cheap,
I'll
but
try it with what I
you do
have
so much
first.
work, so it should be fine. Okay.
It's all right. I'll
Okay,
try
good.
with what I have first. So, thanks.
Okay, good. Okay. Bye
All
bye.
right. Bye.
Bye.
See you in 2 weeks.
Enjoy. Yeah. See you. Bye bye.